Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's channel. This is Caitlin. Today the product we're going to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly. And now let's take a look. Firstly, I will introduce you the outside package, the blue VCINT roast back. Here this is the label, and the first line is our Shumatt's brand, and the second line is the product code F00RJ02449. Actually, the logo label packages etc. all we can support a customized service. Now we will check the inside part for you. 1 layer is oil paper to wrap it up, and each product we supply with 6 months warranty time, so you got the quality guaranteed. For this valve assembly, the plug cable inject number is 0445120-162, and the plug cable for vehicle car is for man, and TAMSA and the VW. Take a look for the valve cavity with the coating figures on the groove, and this is the valve rod. If you want to install it, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. That's a small tips for you. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time here. I wish you have a good day. See you.